New arrivals this week, or past 2 weeks actually.
Yeah.
1986 Ford Mustang SVO, silver metallic over charcoal gray and light gray. Very well kept, all stock. Repaint in 2023. 2.3 turbocharged inline four-cylinder. People don't realize how important that motor was back in the mid 80s.
Yeah.
Ford Motor Company got 900 horsepower out of a four-cylinder back in the day on their racing cars that they were doing in IMSA. And so that was an important thing. BorgWarner T5. Also, new arrival, the 2016 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited. Raptor Black Kevlar.
It is.
Over black. Lots of add-ons.
Lots of
stuff.
add-ons. It's one of those show trucky.
Yeah. 5-speed automatic. TrueLock Dana 44 axles. 96,000 actual miles. This is a mean machine. Really cool.
It's got the angry eyes.
Angry eyes.
That Jeep guys like.
Yeah. So, other new arrival, the 1965 Factory 5 Shelby Cobra Roadster. Blurple.
Is it Blurple?
It's Blurple.
All right.
Over black. 5-liter fuel injected V8. Tremec 5-speed. 4-wheel disc brakes. Cobra styling to the get-go.
Got the Mustang engine.
And a beautiful paint job on the car. Absolutely beautiful.
Lots of chrome.
And one of my favorites, 1986 Porsche 944 Turbo, Guards Red, which is a very cool color. It's Porsche's red over black. Garage kept, service and repair logbook, 2.5-liter turbo inline 4, 5-speed manual. Timeless looks. It's just a cool looking car. They took the 924 and made it cool.
It's just timeless design.
It really is.
It'll look good 50 years from now.
And this one is driver quality. It's the paint's a little, not perfect. It's not in perfect cosmetic condition, but you could just drive it and have fun with it.
Absolutely.
And it's a turbo. So the value is there because of that. So other new arrival, the 1935 Ford Model 48 3-window Deluxe Coupe. Royal Maroon Metallic overset. It's a beautiful car. All steel build. 13,000 miles since the build. Chopped, shaven, customized. It's got a 454 V8 in it. 6-speed manual transmission, which is unusual. A lot of guys put automatic in these. So this is a really well done hot rod, custom, whatever you want to call it.
Turnkey show.
Turnkey, ready to go, ready to rock. Also, last but not least, the 2017 Camaro 2SS 50th Anniversary Edition Convertible. Nightfall gray metallic over ebony and gray, 27,340 actual miles. The anniversary model, which is rare. Fully loaded, 6.2-liter LT1 V8. Show and go, baby.
Yep, only 800 about 800 were produced.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize it was that low. So next week we've been talking about we're going to Carmel. Kathy and I are taking our first trip to Carmel.
Well, we were.
Well, we were going to take you guys, but then we found out the rooms were like $1 million a night. So.
Salinas. I'll stay in Salinas.
Good luck getting in every day for any events.
Yeah.
They say the traffic is just horrendous. So, nice. But we're really looking forward to it, and we'll try to do some video reporting from there, and we'll see how it works out. We watched the Billy Joel documentary, and Christy Brinkley was manning the camera, so I told Kathy, you could be my Christy Brinkley. So she didn't think that was very funny, but I thought it was hilarious. But I think that we're going to try to give a perspective of somebody who's never been to something that's pretty much the Super Bowl of our industry and hobby. Monterey Car Week, as it's become, is just, it's auctions, it's concours, it's shows, it's Ferraris, it's Duesenbergs, it's cars you never even heard of. It's a melting pot of everything going on in the car world. And they say you can just watch, you can go out on Highway 1 that comes into Carmel and Monterey and just watch the cars coming in as the car show in of itself, just driving down the highway.
Yep.
So think of the money you could have saved.
Yeah, exactly. To watch it on TV.
Yay.
It's, but it's one of those things you got to do once, and maybe we'll go back. Maybe we'll never go back. Maybe this will be our one and done. I never plan anything for a trip, and literally I have an itinerary that's pages.
Nice.
That we're going to do, where we're eating dinner, where we're eating lunch, where we're eating breakfast, what time we got to be there, what time we're going to, because if you don't, you'll find yourself. Remember on New Year's Eve when you were chasing the best party and all of a sudden you realize it turned midnight and you're in the car?
Yeah.
It's like, well, that didn't work out.
Yeah, if it's going to be so jammed, you're not going to walk in anywhere.
No. So some reservations.
Except Subway.
Subway's going to, maybe.
Maybe.
Hey, we were in Branson, like I said, last weekend, and it was no sales tax shopping weekend for back to school. And of course, around here, there's no sales tax in Pennsylvania on clothes.
Is that right?
Have you ever shopped there before? Yes.
Who does your shopping?
Yeah, but in Missouri they have sales tax on clothing, and they have the sales tax free weekend. So long story short, it was really busy. You couldn't go to Cracker Barrel or Denny's or Bob Evans.
Right.
But we thought, go to Krispy Kreme donut. There was a line of like 100 people inside the Krispy Kreme donut because the hot donut sign was on.
Oh, sure.
You got to have that. So.
They are good.
Krispy Kreme.
They are good.
They are delicious. Do
you think they turn that on when they're actually ready, or does it just come on?
I don't know, but they give good glaze.
Yeah.
Which Dunkin' Donuts, in my opinion, does not give good glaze.
No.
I think their glaze is marginally good.
I don't even think they cook them in-house in Dunkin' Donuts.
Can't imagine.
Could be wrong,
Dude.
but they're not our sponsor.
Well, my first wife was a Dunkin' Donut girl, and she actually made them there, but I don't know about
they did?
these days.
I don't know any anymore.
So Hollywood Casino Morgantown, they gave away. They had the drawing last weekend. They didn't take the car or the credit here. They took the $40,000 casino credit, but it worked out very well for the casino, and they're happy and they want to have us back. So.
Especially because I get the $40,000 back plus them.
Yeah, because if you're doing that. So and don't forget September the 19th, our auction. We are getting lots of registered bidders, both online, by telephone, and in person. We're moving the cars out to the front of our building under. They're going to be on display, all 100. No reserve, absolute cars. Most do not have titles or keys or batteries or anything else. But
Seats.
They do have seats.
So it is literally bring a trailer.
It's bring a trailer, baby. And
that's trademarked, but we say bring a long thing to carry on.
Yes.
Bring a long thing that has wheels
on it.
Wheels underneath.
Carry it.
And carry it, because it's going to be a lot of fun. There's no charge to register to bid. So most places charge you $25 or $50 or $100. $400 out in Monterey just to register to bid. Plus you pay the commission, which is 10 or 12% out there. Our commission is 8% buyer's fee in person, 10% if it's online or by telephone. You can go to our website, classicautomall.com, get all the details on that, and we're really looking forward to it. We've got some great Army trucks. We got some. There'll be some bargains, and there'll be some stuff that'll we'll scratch our head and say, "Boy, that brought more than we thought." For sure. And some will bring exactly what we thought, and some will think, "Man, that was probably a pretty good deal."
And to be clear, some actually run and have titles.
They do.
And keys.
Yeah, keys and batteries.
And some good ones in there.
And there are some good ones in there. Some really interesting oddball pieces. Most people will buy these to use for parts and stuff like that, which they have a lot of great parts on a lot of these. Others will be used in parades and then there are ways you can get bonded and get titles and all that. We're not involved in that. Right. So we're selling them as is, where is, with no title if they don't have it, on a bill of sale only if they don't have a title. If they do have a title, you'll get a title. It'll be clearly marked. We'll talk about it during the auction. We'll make sure that you understand which one does and doesn't have it. So, but get registered to bid. We're going to do a complimentary bidders buffet on Friday morning from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Nice. Then the auction will start at 11 a.m. in the center hallway. The vehicles will be staged outside. They don't run across the block because it's hard for some of them to run, and they're big.
Sure.
We got some Army stuff that's huge.
It's big stuff.
It's big stuff. Go to our website. You'll see. Just click on the auction tab up on the top.
The Classic Auto Mall Show with their host, Stuart Howden.